Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you tech enthusiasts out there. The best Chromebook keyboard available in the market. This is the wireless keyboard and mouse combo by Roy. Stay tuned to find out why this could be the perfect addition to your Chromebook or any other device. Hey there, I'm your host, and in this video, we're going to take a closer look at this fantastic wireless keyboard and mouse combo by Roy. We'll cover its key features, performance, and why it stands out among the competition. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the key features of this combo. The Roy wireless keyboard and mouse combo is designed to provide you with a seamless and efficient typing experience. Here are some key highlights. It features advanced 2.4 GHz wireless technology, which offers a strong, stable, and reliable connection up to 10 meters away from your device. Say goodbye to annoying delays or dropouts while you work or play. This full-size keyboard comes with 104 keys, including a numeric keypad, which can significantly improve your work efficiency. The keys are low-profile, responsive, and provide a quiet typing experience. It's perfect for both entertainment and office work. The included mouse has a hand-friendly contoured shape and ergonomic design to reduce hand fatigue during long hours of use. With a high-sensitivity optical sensor, it offers precise and smooth tracking on various surfaces. Plus, the silent clicks reduce noise by up to 90%, ensuring you won't disturb others around you. Worried about battery life? Don't be. Both the keyboard and mouse have an auto-sleep function, extending their battery life up to 12 months. If they're not in use for more than 10 minutes, they automatically enter sleep mode to save power. Just press any key to wake them up. The keyboard is powered by one AAA battery, while the mouse uses one AA battery. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, Linux, or even a Chromebook, this combo has you covered. It's compatible with a wide range of operating systems, making it versatile for various devices, including laptops, desktops, and even gaming consoles like the PS4 and smart TVs. Plus, it has a spill-resistant design to protect against accidents. Worried about support? Roy offers a 12-month warranty and friendly customer service. If you have any questions or issues, they're there to assist you. Now that we've covered the key features, let me tell you why this is the best Chromebook keyboard you can get. The Roy wireless keyboard and mouse combo excels in delivering a reliable wireless connection, comfortable typing experience, and long battery life. Plus, it's designed to be compatible with a wide range of devices, making it incredibly versatile. I've personally used this combo with my Chromebook, and it's been a game changer. The quiet typing and precision mouse tracking have improved my productivity. And the long battery life means I don't have to worry about constantly changing batteries. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who values a great typing experience, this combo has something to offer. So, in summary, if you're looking for the best Chromebook keyboard, the Roy wireless keyboard and mouse combo should be at the top of your list. With its stable connection, quiet typing, and long-lasting battery, it's a fantastic addition to your setup. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or thoughts about this combo or any other product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.